In this video, we will learn how to book petty cash in a strategic ERP. To book petty cash, you need to open petty cash form, which is available in accounts payable module. Once you will open this form, you need to select the project name, on which project you have made the expenses. So basically, let me give you a brief of petty cash form first. So petty cash form we use to book our impressed expenses or over reimbursement expenses which we have made throughout the project execution or whatever the petty case expenses, petty expenses that we need to we will book in this form. So to book your expenses you need to select a project name first, on which project you have made that expenses. Then sub project is not mandatory, it is optional. If you want to bifurcate it in sub project, then you can select it over here. Then you need to select your IOU ledger name. This is basically your impressed ledger name. So this ledger will be fetched from accounts management ledger account form. So once you will select your impressed ledger, and you will put the date on which date you have made the expenses. Then you need to tick book expenses checkbox. Once you will do this, then you will provide the detail of particulars like on which type of expenses you have made. Have you booked any air ticket, or it is a miscellaneous expenses or traveling expenses? So basically these particulars are coming from other masters form which is available in ERP admin module. So you need to select it. Then if you need, if you want to bifurcate it more, then you can bifurcate it over here in description tab. Like if you want to mention the detail of tickets, like I have booked ticket of Rahul Tyagi, tickets booked from Delhi to Mumbai. You can bifurcate it as well. So once you click, so this detail will be saved here. Then the actual expense amount 5500. Now this you need to select this expense ledger. So whoever is drafting the entry, whoever is creating the entry, expense ledger is not mandatory for him. You can leave it, but at the time of approval, once this entry is processed with accounts, then it will become mandatory that without expense ledger system will not allow you to approve this entry. So I'll show you how. Then if any narration is required, you can mention it over here. And also you can add multiple tabs, and you can book multiple type of expenses. Like you have booked a ticket, and you have made some miscellaneous expenses on the same day, then you can write it down over here like uh, festival, sweets for festival, right? And the amount. Now here is the option to upload the supporting documents that will be enabled once you will save this entry. Once you will save this entry, you will draft this entry, then uploading option will be appear. And now your entry is done, your entry is created. Now when your accounts team is going to approve this voucher, they have to select expense ledger name, and then once they will approve this entry, the posting will be sorted in this particular ledger, right? This particular ledger will get credited, and those expenses ledger will get debited under the same amount. That's it. So it is the process of booking petty case in a strategic ERP.